Stone jetty stretching, caught by the tide. The wind sings its secrets, gulls dance wide. The river surrenders, the ocean calls. Together they rise as twilight falls. Oh, Puerto Quequén, shining by the shore, a gateway of dreams, of grains and more. The river and sea are melting as one, a song in your docks that will never be done. Ships on the water with journeys afar, carrying harvest beneath the stars. Echoes of labor, whispers of trade, a future is written with hands that stayed. Sunset is painting the waters in gold, stories eternal forever retold. The ocean receives with arms open wide, holding the river forever inside. Oh, Puerto Quequén, shining by the shore, a gateway of dreams, of grains and more. The river and sea are melting as one, a song in your docks that will never be done. The river and sea are melting as one, a song in your docks that will never be done. Winter is roaring, waves strike hard, storms write their music across the guard. Yet Quequén stands unbroken strong, keeping its rhythm, its timeless song. Between Necochea and Quequén strike hard, storms write their music across the guard. Yet Quequén stands unbroken strong, keeping its rhythm, its timeless song. Between Necochea and Quequén side, a union of people, a flowing tide. The port is a mirror, calm and wide, where earth and the ocean worlds collide. Keeping its rhythm, its timeless song. Between Necochea and Quequén side, a union of people, a flowing tide. The port is a mirror, calm and wide, where earth and the ocean worlds collide. Oh, Port of Quequén, shining by the shore, a gateway of dreams, of grains and more. The river and sea are melting as one, a song in your docks that will never be done. And as the sun